All right, moving along. The area of an isosceles triangle is 36. The ratio of the length of the base to the height is 2:1. What is the perimeter of the triangle? So base times height over 2 is equal to 36. I'm going to put my x's in for that. The base is 2 of those x's. The height is 1 of those x's. And if we divide that by 2, it's equal to 36. All right. First thing I'm going to do, cancel that out. X squared is going to be 36, so x is equal to 6. My base is 2 of those units, so that base is going to be 12. And my height is going to be 1 of those units. Height is going to be 6, and it's all inches. I'll box that for the previous problem. All right, moving right along. You'll notice here, 6 over x, 5 over y, they have moved that 5 and that 6, so I'm going to move that x to the top of the y. We have x over 4, 7 over y. You'll notice they added the denominator to the left side, so I'm going to add the denominator to the right side. On this one, lots of different ways. They want you to find BC. What I'm going to do is take this 33, this 18, and find out that this side is 15. If I have 18 of my 33 here, I've got 15 of it over there. This is my x. I've got 12 over x is going to be the same as 18 over 15. Reduce what I can, 6 and 5. Cross reduce, I got a 2 and a 1. Just basically, on that, dividing both sides by 6. So I'm going to get x is equal to 10. All done there. Lots of different ways to set this bad boy up. That's just my personal favorite way. This one, find the scale factor. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to redraw MNOP to a more advantageous. I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees, and that's going to line everything up. You don't have to, but sometimes it's just easier. Now, scale factor. As soon as they say scale factor, these two things are going to be they're going to be similar. They want them to be similar. So our scale factor going from the little one to the big one is going to be 8 to 10, and I'm going to reduce that 4 to 5. You'll notice I got an 8 side, I got a 10 side. It's going to be 4 to 5 because I'm getting bigger. Next one. Find the values of x, y, and z. Z is the easiest one. These are both 135. So z is going to also be 135 because our angles are going to be congruent on a similar polygon. The perimeter, I still need x and y. X is going to be divided by 4 times by 5. So 4 over 5 is going to be equal to 12 over x. So we got a times 3, so x is going to be 15. You can also cross multiply. Get that 1, get that 3, cross multiply. X is equal to 15. Still the same. And then my y value, if this side is 8, y is also going to be 8. So y is also ready to go pretty quick. Find the perimeter. You've got 20 plus 20, so 40. Find the perimeter over here. We found this to be 15. I've got 25, 25, so 50. You'll notice that it still holds that ratio. Find the ratio of the perimeters. It's still 4 to 5. We can reduce 40 to 20, 4 to 5. Oh! Careful, careful. The ratio of MNOP to X to WXYZ. So they have switched that order. This one's going to be 5 to 4. 50 to 40, reduced to 5 to 4. Be very careful. I got caught. Dangerous. Dangerous. So watch that. Order is important on that one. Two triangles are similar. Scale factor, you notice real fast, is double. 6 to 12, 5.5 to 11, 8 to 4. You can set it up as ratios if you don't feel comfortable doing that. Just say 12 to 6 is the same as m to 5.5, and you can reduce and cross multiply if you want to, but not entirely necessary if you spot that scale factor and you can blaze it. All right, how much time we got? Plenty of time. Are the triangles similar? We are almost there. All the triangles similar. Write the similarity statement. Similarity statement, important, that order. This one, no dice. We need either two sides or two angles. Two or three sides, rather. This one, yes. We're going to grab that vertical angle. I don't know why I made that a 3. Grab that a vertical angle. I'm going to start at the one that they listed, go to the vertical angle, and finish. So I'm going to have triangle BCA is similar to triangle, and again, start at the one they gave, D, go to the vertical, C, and then finish at the last one, E. And that's going to be angle, angle. Next one, this one's painful. You've got a mid segment right here. That's going to give you one angle. They share another angle. So this one's going to be yes, triangle, and I'll start up here at the corner, MPD. That's going to be similar to triangle MNL. And that's AA. Mid-segment, lines are parallel, grab an angle, they're corresponding, they'll be congruent. Last one. No. No, you've only got two sides, nothing's touching, you can't grab an angle, no. Find the value so that they're parallel. If they are parallel, then these ratios are going to hold, so 20 to 8 is going to be the same as 25 to x. I'm going to reduce this first, pull out a 4, this is going to be 5 over 2, divide both sides by 5, this is going to be 1 and 5, so x is equal to 10. You don't have to fully reduce before you cross multiply. I like to, it keeps my numbers smaller. Allows me to go a little faster. This one, man, this looks incredibly similar to a homework problem, I think. This is 9, this is 30, so it's going to be 21. And I'm going to say they share. So 21 over x plus 6 is going to be the same as 9 over x. Can I reduce? I'm going to pull a 3 off of both sides. Now I'm going to cross multiply, so I have 3x plus 18, cross multiplying right here, equals 7x. Pull the 3 from both sides, 8 is equal to 4x, divide the 4 off, x is equal to 2. This one, taking a look at this one, this is going to be x, this is going to be 20 minus x, and I will say that, what do we got here? 14 to x is going to be the same as 11 to 20 minus x, and I've got nothing I can reduce. So 11x is equal to 280 minus 14x. Pull that to the other side, and I'll get, this is straight from a quiz, isn't it? It looks like a quiz problem. So 25 times 10 would be 250, so it's going to be 11, and we'll have 1/5 left over. So x is equal to 11 and a fifth. You can go 11.2 if you want to. Not a bad answer there. How much time we got? We got plenty of time for one more problem. Gonna hold these right here. I will have, man, how do I want to do that? We'll have 8x over 60 is going to be the same ratio as 5x over 3x. You can indeed cancel those x's out. I'm going to just multiply straight across. I'm going to have 24x is equal to 300. Should have reduced. Gracious. I know both sides have, what do they both have? I don't know. We'll just divide by 24. I'm going to have to run and get a calculator. So embarrassing. They're both divisible by 2, so 150 over 12. Both divisible by 3. What is that? 50 over 4. 12 and a half. Boom. Looking good. Looking good. All right. Moving. Should have reduced right there. They're both divisible by 4. That would have been a lot easier on the old noodle. Here we go. First time we got a little bit of time. You know what? We're going to take an entire new video, do that one separately.